Um, whoa. Yeah, there's a thunderstorm that way headed northeast. I think I might be hit by this thing. Maybe. I think I might be skidded by the right edge of it. Um, it is a really cool thunderstorm so far. It looks alright on radar. Oh, definitely is a lightning producer for sure. I mean, obviously it isn't like lightning every second, but it's still definitely something, so I am grateful for that. Ooh, nice. Where's the thunder? Come on, hit me. You think you weak or something? Like, where the thunder at? Come on, man, don't be playing around with me. Oh, let's go. Come on, there you go. I think it might be starting to rain a little bit. It is. Here we go. It's getting windy out, so you know it's coming. Once it starts to get windy and rainy, that's when you know it's coming. It's a good one too. It's an isolated cell. Very, very beautiful. I haven't. All right. It is getting windy out here, and it is starting to rain heavier. Um, so I will get like one more. Okay, cool. Yeah. Anyways, I'm gonna head inside now because it's raining and it's starting to get very windy, and I obviously don't want to get soaked because it's raining more now. So I hope you guys have a fantastic day, a great week, a great month, a great year, a great everything really. Yeah. So see ya in the next video, possibly tomorrow, because tomorrow there is going to more than likely be severe weather for my area. Um, so that's obviously cool. I am in a whoa. I'm in a day 2 slight risk. So tomorrow I will be in a slight risk, and tomorrow I could potentially get a severe thunderstorm watch. Anyways, gotta go. It's raining heavily.